Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see about admission notification. So it is from Central University of Gujarat, so which is a central university established by an act of Parliament of India. So here comes the UG program. So it is Bachelor of Arts Hans. So it is in German studies as well as Chinese. So here the seats are 33 each. You can see that the Master of Arts, either it has been a integrated dual degree program or else it is a direct MA. So you can see that the School of Social Sciences, which is offering MA in Economics, Sociology, Political Science, Social Work, as well as the integrated course in Social Management. You can see that the number of seats are 33 each. So in the School of International Studies, the MA in Politics and International Relation is there. So here comes the School of Language and Literature and Culture Studies, which is also there. So it's offering various disciplines like Hindi, English, Gujarati and Chinese. German studies also there. So the School of Education, which is offering the MEd. So here the School of National Security Studies, which is offering MA in Defense and Strategic Studies, and then School of Library and Information Science, which is offering MA in Library and Information Science. So these also 33 seats each. You can see that the Master of Science PG program, so it is in Science. School of Applied Material Science is offering MSc in Industrial Chemistry, and then School of Chemical Sciences offering MSc in Chemical Sciences, and then School of Life Sciences offering MSc, and then School of Environmental and Sustainable Development, which is offering MSc in Environmental Sciences. School of Nanoscience also there, which is also offering the MSc in Nanotechnology. So now it comes to the MPhil, which is offered by the Central University of Gujarat. You can see that MPhil in Economics, 8 seats are there, and then MPhil in Studies in Science, Technology and Innovation Policy. So here the 4 seats are there. You can see that School of International Studies offering International Politics. So here it is 5 seats are there in MPhil. You can see that MPhil in Security Studies. Here it is 8 seats are there. So you can see that the MPhil in Diaspora Studies also there. 6 seats are there, and then School of Language and Literature and Cultural Studies offering MPhil in Comparative Literature as well as Hindi, English. So the seats are like 5, 6, 3. So here comes the PhD, which is in the Central University of Gujarat. PhD in School of Social Sciences are there. In Economics it is 2 seats. In Social Management it is 2 seats. So School of International Studies offering PhD in International Politics, it is 2. So School of National Security is having 6 seats in PhD in National Security. So it is Security Studies. So School of Language, Literature and Culture Studies offering each 5 seats in Comparative Literature as well as PhD in English. So Center for Diaspora Studies, it is 4 seats are there. School of Applied Material Science, which is offering Applied Chemistry, so 5 seats are there. School of Chemical Sciences having 12 seats in PhD in Chemical Sciences. PhD in Life Sciences, 5 seats are there. School of Environment and Development, Environment and Sustainable Development, there are 5 seats. So School of Nanoscience offering 6 seats in PhD in Nanoscience. You can see that the School of Library and Information Science having 2 seats in this PhD, and then School of Education is offering 9 seats in PhD, and then School of Language, Literature and Culture is offering PhD in German Studies, it is 8 seats. So if you have a UGC NET exam cleared like for assistant professor, or else if you are having JRF, then you need not to write the CUCET entrance examination for MPhil as well as PhD. You can just apply through the CUCET and you can note it, you can mention it there, so that you will be exempted from the examination. You can directly appear the interview alone. So in the description box I will give the link for CUCET application. Through that you can apply to the respective university, and then you can select Central University of Gujarat as your selection if you are finding some course which is suitable for you. If you would like to get more admission notification, please do subscribe to Revamp ED YouTube channel. Thank you.